Capitalization of profit method for goodwill valuation. Necessary steps. Step 1 is capital employed or net assets. This capital employed can be computed by two different approaches. Either total assets minus total liabilities. Arbitrary value से अगर assets की value है 130 और liabilities है 30 तो total assets 130 minus 30 rupees liability 100 rupees is capital employed. Second approach is capital plus reserve. If capital investment of partner A is 40 and partner B is 35 and reserves are 25, so capital plus reserve 75 plus 25 again 100 rupees will be capital employed. So capital employed and net assets is one and the same. Second step is expected rate of return or normal rate of return, which is expected by the businessman to earn from the business investment. Third is average profit or weighted average profit to be computed on the basis of trend of profit. If fluctuating trend of profit, then simple average profit is to be obtained, and in case of increasing or decreasing trend of profit, weighted average profit is to be calculated. Then fourth step is capitalized profit or capitalized value of business or expected capital investment in the business, and for that formula is average profit upon expected rate of return into 100. And last step for goodwill valuation is capitalized profit minus capital employed. Practical question है, question number 10. Nairutwa and Rutvik, their assets invested is 6 lakh and liability is 1,70,000. So first step, capital employed is total assets minus total liabilities. 6 lakh minus 1,70,000 is 4,30,000. Their expected rate of return from the business is 10%. Step 3 is average profit. Now here 5 years profit are given and profit का trend अगर हम observe करें तो it is increasing trend of profit 45,000, 50,000, 65,000, 75,000 and 90,000. So in case of increasing trend of profit, weighted average profit, so profit into weight is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remote past year is to be given least importance and utmost importance is to be given to the recent past year. उसके हिसाब से 45,000 into 1, 45,000, 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh, 65,000 into 3, 1 lakh 95,000, 75,000 into 4, 3 lakh, and 90,000 into 5, 4 lakh 50,000. Total weighted profit is 10 lakh 90,000. So weighted average profit is total weighted profit upon total weight, that is 72,667. Now capitalized profit is weighted average profit upon expected rate of return into 100, जिसकी वैल्यू है 7,26,670. तो गुडविल की वैल्यू आएगी 2,96,670. Now important point is super profit method moves from capital to profit to goodwill and capitalization method moves from profit to capital to goodwill. यहाँ पे capitalization method में 10 रुपीज के लिए 100 इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो 72667 के लिए कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सपेक्टेड है माइनस एग्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट इज गुडविल.